Last week we spoke about townhouses. Today we are going deeper. The costs that can catch you off guard. Hello, I'm Galiz2, your property coach. In my channel, I'm sharing the insights of my journey and my research. I am not a property expert nor a financial advisor. Please do your own research and verify the information. Don't forget to ask questions before you sign anything. Most first home buyers focus only on the bond. With a sectional title, you pay levies every month. This covers security, maintenance, insurance. Sounds fine until you add everything up. From 1,500 rands to 4,000 rands per month on top of your bond. But that is not the real shock. You get a letter, roof needs fixing, no money in the reserve fund. Now you must pay 15,000 rands to 30,000 rands, even 50,000 rands in some cases. And legally, you can't say no because those are special levies. So before you buy, ask for financials, check the reserve fund, read the meeting minutes, and don't forget contents insurance. Your belongings are your responsibility. So let's recap. Levies are monthly, special levies are unexpected, and small costs adds up fast. Do you know about special levies? Kindly comment yes or no down below. Next week we will be talking about investing in townhouses. See you on the next one. Let's buy homes. Bye.